Combine's out of the shed. You know what that means? Time to go to harvest. A little later this year than what we normally would be. It's actually November 2nd. Corn was a little later planted, and beans were too. Just the way the year went, everything was kind of a little later and a little wetter. Our corn wasn't ready earlier, and got a little bit from a neighbor to feed, but now we need corn to feed, so we're going to go harvest some corn today. We probably would have been harvesting beans already, but we had about a 7 or 8 day stretch of nothing but drizzle nastiness, and we're still kind of drying out from that. It's possible beans might go today, but we're going to get that corn harvested that we need to feed. But first, what have we been up to since we started weaning calves? Well, my wife and I went and attended a K-State football game. They won. Go Cats. The rest of the season didn't turn out all that great, but hey, we enjoyed our time with that. Then we finished up our new feed bunk install. We set the feed bunks on the new concrete pad and got the cables strung up and did a couple other things and got that ready to go. And then here's a couple pictures from weaning the calves from our Chase County pasture. Got the big group coming in there. Here's a picture from our pen that we used to load them up. We're going to drop this head on this header trailer here. And then go pick up the corn head. Try number 2. Had to move north just a little bit. I think it needs to go. And there she is, off and free, cleaned off the front. Let's go hook up the corn head now. It's just right over there. Be too many weeds here. Didn't get them mowed another time. There we go. Now we gotta go get her latched on and do some more stuff. We'll be in the field soon. Yeah, as soon as I get this hooked up, I'm gonna set it down. I gotta check the gearbox. Oh, man, do it with the foot. That's the one that leaks a little bit. It leaks a lot. It'll be dry, I'm sure. Yeah, just a wee little bit on it. Now, as cold as it is. Something in between 80, 90 and I don't know. 85, 140. It's probably something so case case IH can sell the stuff. Cause I gotta have that 135 EP stuff. Can't just use regular 85 140. Do you do both sides of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I meant you to try to do the inside.
Yeah, I mean, it'll do you good just to do half of it.
Well, I meant I need to spray here.
Oh, I just try to get some on top of it.
Okay. Yeah, I did that side.
It's just gonna have to get there on its own. Gotta put it on. Put a little on top too. Yeah.
Okay. You gotta do anything to them rolls?
What?
You gotta do anything to them rolls?
No.
Fill her up with some fuel and go down and see if we can get some harvesting done. Well, that's not what we want to see. That rope opens this door, and it's big and heavy. Dad had a rat or something in here that was eating stuff, and we got it caught or left or something, and it chewed the rope. Gotta see if we can figure out how to get this door open. Well, hey, the door's open. We got our fiasco fixed. There's our new little addition of the rope. No Boy Scout, but hopefully that holds. Dad said the first truck's full, so we're gonna go down and get that. See if we can get it dumped. Made it down to the field. You guys were dirty. Can't leave this truck where it's at because Dad won't be able to get close enough to it with the auger out. Need to do a little tree trimming on that old tree. Dad's shelling right over there, you can see. This truck weight. We got a split way because the truck is too long for our scale. So minor inconvenience, but hey, we have a scale. A lot of people don't. old school weighing. All right, so this is what our scale weighs. It actually weighs a little more than that, but it still works. So that's 7,500, and then 375. And we might back it to 350 just to see what it decides to do. I think it's more 375. Yep. All right. So that's 875. Because that'd be 7,900, 8,000. We're gonna check and make sure we're off the edges of the scale because we got to put these boards on here, which I'm not sure that we are. Let me get a piece of paper and see if I can slide under the tire. Definitely good over here. I think we're gonna have to try to pull forward just a hair. See if it'll get off in there. All right, we pulled forward hair. Got that problem fixed. Move this bottom one to 10,000 for easy math. And this truck usually weighs like 20. Yeah, I think it's a little lighter than sometimes. Dad didn't really fill her up. And there we go, 10,000, 11,000, so that's 21,175. We'll figure out how many bushels that is after a little bit here. We're gonna start dumping now. Guess it just hadn't been used in a while. We're dumping now. Time to raise the truck bed. 308 bushel on that truck. Not a bad load, but we can put a lot more on that one at a time. Filling the upstairs bin. Gotta get some cattle feed. Here's what Dad's got done in this field so far. This right here was some that we siloed along with a couple of passes on the other end. Let's just see if we can find him and get some action. Couple pieces of corn here and there. Cows will enjoy it though. They'll find it. Looks like Dad's got a full bin. Caught him just in time. Yep, I see it bubbling up there. Time to feed some weaning calves.
Come on, guys.
Come on, buddy. Hey, out of the road.
Baby. Come on, guys.
Come on. Up. Up. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Come on. Hey, get out of the way.
Out of the road, guys.
Time to check their water. And always going to be a little feed in the bottom of it. We'll get the leaves and hay stems out of it. It's pretty clean otherwise. Now we got to do this other group and do the center. Back to dumping truck. Oops. Spilled a little over the back. Not a big deal. It cleans up. Well, folks, you might be able to faintly see my face from the moonlight shining on me. We got almost a full moon, probably like 3/4 right now. But hey, that's the last thing to be put away for the night. We're calling her quits, gonna go home. But that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.